demonstrated in this video, conduits such as water, sewer, fiber, electric, and gas can be installed under very busy intersections without disruption of traffic. A small area is needed to set up the directional drilling equipment. This area can be strategically placed away from congestion and business activities. Before the directional drilling begins, the directional drilling crew pre-plans the bore path to carefully avoid obstructions such as other underground utilities. The horizontal bore begins with the directional drill bit entering the entrance pit. The entrance pit is used to contain and manage the drilling fluids. The directional drilling crew are in radio communication with each other throughout the entire process. The directional drill bit is tracked by a sonde, our radio detection device, housed within its extended connection to the directional drill pipe. The depth and pitch is sent to the surface and received by the walkover locating device. The locator then gathers and interprets the information and gives directions to the directional drill operator on which way to steer the drill bit. An experienced directional drilling crew can navigate and steer the drill bit up, down, right, left, and a combination of varying degrees of each to drill the desired horizontal bore path. The drilling crew has the ability to determine the exact depth and location of the drill bit at all times. A typical mid-sized directional drill uses a 4-inch drill bit to drill a pilot bore. The bore path is typically enlarged to 1.5 size the conduit that is being installed. In this installation, the bore path has to be enlarged to accommodate the conduit, and a reamer is attached to cut a larger diameter hole. The reamer is simply pulled through the existing bore path to enlarge the hole. As depicted in this video, and as with most directional drilling projects, very little of the normal city activities were interrupted during the conduit installation. After the bore path is enlarged, the conduit is simply pulled into place by the directional drill rig. This method of installing utilities has many benefits that include less disruption of commercial activities, less disruption of traffic, less site rehabilitation, and directional drilling can also be used to avoid damage to wetlands, streams, and for river crossings. Directional Technologies has installed miles and miles of conduit using directional drilling over the past 23 years. Call us today to bring that level of experience to your next trenchless conduit installation.